Have you ever held back from upgrading your smartwatch just because it was missing that one feature you loved most? For many Samsung fans, that feature is the iconic rotating bezel. While phone users usually prefer edge-to-edge displays and try to avoid bezels, watch lovers feel completely different. The physical rotating bezel on Samsung's Galaxy Watch lineup has always been something special, something that feels like a real watch. And when Samsung dropped it on the Galaxy Watch 7 last year, a lot of people were genuinely disappointed. If you're one of them, your patience has finally paid off, because the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic has brought the bezel back in a way that's better than ever. This isn't just a repeat of the old design. Samsung has taken that fan-favorite rotating bezel and made it even more refined. The new design includes deeper ridges that not only look better but also feel better while turning. It's like you're interacting with a premium traditional watch rather than just swiping at a tiny screen. Plus, Samsung brought back the 60-second scale around the display, which adds a classy and useful touch, making it easier to track time just like with regular watches. But it's not only about looks or nostalgia. The rotating bezel isn't just for show. It gives a satisfying click every time you turn it to scroll through menus, apps, and notifications. It's fast, accurate, and gives you more control compared to swiping on the screen. That's a big deal when you're on the move or when your hands are sweaty from a workout. Speaking of workouts, this watch isn't just for looks, it's packed with all the health and fitness features you expect from a premium Samsung wearable. From heart rate monitoring to sleep tracking, step counting, blood oxygen measurement, and stress management, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic covers everything. And let's not forget body composition analysis and advanced workout detection that helps you stay on top of your fitness game. If you skipped the Galaxy Watch 7 because it felt like something was missing, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is what you've been waiting for. Samsung clearly listened to the fans and brought back the one feature people wouldn't stop asking about. It's smart, stylish, and functional all in one. And here's the best part: if you're thinking about buying one, now's a good time. Samsung is offering a $50 United States discount on pre-orders, which brings the price down to $449 United States dollars. For something that combines elegant design with powerful features, that's actually a pretty good deal. Whether you're someone who wants your smartwatch to look like a real watch, or you're just tired of swiping at tiny screens, this is a device that blends modern tech with classic watch design in the best possible way. Have you ever wondered why most smartwatches seem perfect for running but feel totally useless the moment you pick up a dumbbell? That's exactly what Google seems to be fixing with the Pixel Watch 4, and honestly, it's about time. According to a new report from Android Headlines, the Pixel Watch 4 may finally introduce something fitness lovers have wanted for years: real strength training features. If you've been frustrated with your watch only tracking runs or counting steps while offering little for your weight training, this update might be the one that changes your mind. Google might add a workout builder that lets users build custom interval sessions with warm-ups and cool-downs. This means you could plan a full gym session right on your wrist, set your warm-up duration, add your workout sets and breaks, and end it with some recovery stretches. It's not just about recording sets either. The new feature might give real-time coaching to help you get the most out of every rep and reduce your chance of injury. It sounds like Google finally realized not all workouts involve running shoes. For years, smartwatches, including earlier Pixel Watch models, mostly focused on cardio activities like cycling and running. Sure, those are important, but gym workouts have been growing in popularity, and the tech side of things has lagged behind. Now, if Google can actually deliver a smooth, responsive, and helpful strength training tool, this could be a big win. But strength training isn't the only area getting attention. Pixel Watch 4 might also give runners better features too. If you're into cardio, especially running, then these details will probably catch your eye. Google could introduce AI-based running tips, which will reportedly be part of Fitbit Premium. The watch may also track advanced running metrics like cadence, which is how many steps you take per minute, stride length, vertical oscillation, ground contact time, vertical ratio, and ground contact balance. All these details could help serious runners adjust their form and improve speed and efficiency over time. The new features may not stop there. Swim tracking is expected to improve as well, which is a welcome update for those who prefer laps. Over lifts, the cycling experience might also get smoother and more useful. On top of that, Google is reportedly working on making the Pixel Watch for better at recognizing activities automatically. That means the watch could detect when you start lifting weights or doing burpees without you having to manually log it. That would be a huge relief for people who jump between different exercises and hate stopping to press buttons in between. All these upgrades hint at Google's bigger goal to make the Pixel Watch for a serious fitness companion, not just a casual step counter. Would you spend just $25 more if it meant getting a much better phone? Before you hit that buy button for the Galaxy A56 in the United States, hold on because Samsung has quietly dropped a deal that might completely change your decision. The Galaxy A56 just launched in the US at $499. It sounds like a solid deal, especially since this phone has been out in other markets like the Galaxy A36, which arrived a while back. But Samsung may have purposely delayed the A56's launch in America, and now it's pretty clear why. The Galaxy S24 which normally costs $649, is now on sale for just $525. No trade-in, no special promo code, just a flat $125 off, bringing it just $25 above the A56, and that $25 makes a big difference. The Galaxy S24 gives you the Exynos 2400E processor, which is miles ahead of the A56's Exynos 1480. If you look at benchmark scores like Geekbench, the S24FE scores about 50% higher. It also comes with faster memory speeds, so everything from opening apps to gaming feels more responsive. Now let's talk about the display. The Galaxy S24 features a dynamic AMOLED to X screen that just looks better than the A56's panel. Colors pop more and it's smoother in motion, especially when watching videos or scrolling. On top of that, the camera setup on the S24FE is in a different league. It even includes an 8-megapixel zoom lens, which is completely missing on the A56, so if photography matters to you, this is an easy win. Then there's the software. With the Galaxy S24, you get the full Galaxy AI experience, which includes smart features that help you get more out of your phone. And don't forget Samsung DeX, which turns your phone into a mini computer when plugged into a monitor. That's something the A56 just doesn't offer. To be fair, the A56 does have a few things going for it. It will get one extra Android operating system update compared to the S24, and its battery is slightly larger with faster charging. But we're talking small gains, maybe a few hundred mAh extra in battery, or a couple more watts in charging. Those things matter, sure, but they don't outweigh everything else the S24 brings to the table for just $25 more. You're getting better performance, better display, better camera, more software features, and overall a more future-proof phone. And this isn't just a temporary coupon offer that disappears in a flash. Samsung is offering this deal with